What if I told you you could reset your entire life in just one day? Not fix everything forever, but press a hard reset button on your habits, your focus, and your motivation. Because right now, you probably feel stuck. You wake up late, you scroll for hours, you promise yourself you'll study, but the day disappears. And at night, you say, tomorrow I'll change. But tomorrow becomes next week. So today, we do something different. Today is do or die day. For the next 24 hours, you follow a simple system that can restart your discipline and your life direction. Let's begin. Step 1. The brutal morning reset. Your life doesn't change when you feel motivated. It changes when you change your environment. So the first step is brutal but powerful. When you wake up tomorrow, do these 3 things immediately. Step 1. Make your bed. It sounds small, but psychology shows that small wins trigger momentum. Your brain thinks, okay, we're doing productive things today. Now step 2, clean your entire room. Throw away trash, organize your desk, remove distractions. Why? Because your environment controls your behavior. A messy room creates mental chaos. A clean space creates mental clarity. Now step 3, delete distractions from your phone. Instagram, short videos, games. You don't need to delete them forever. Just remove them for one day, because today is a reset day. Step 2, the clarity hour. Most students today fail because they don't know what they're chasing. They're busy, but not focused. So, after cleaning your room, sit down with a notebook and pen and answer these 3 questions. Question 1. What do I want my life to look like in 3 years? Not perfect, just realistic. Good college, better health, confidence, financial freedom. Write it down. Now question 2. What is ruining my life right now? Be honest. Procrastination, phone addiction, late nights, no discipline. Write everything. Now the final question. What one habit would change everything? Maybe it's studying 3 hours daily, waking up early, going to the gym, reading daily. Pick just one, because success doesn't come from doing everything. It comes from doing one thing consistently. Step 4. The 4-hour focus block. Now comes the most important part of the reset day, deep work. Most students today cannot focus for more than 10 minutes. Their brain is fried from constant dopamine. So we rebuild focus. Here's how. Set a timer for 50 minutes. Study with full concentration. No phone, no music with lyrics, just pure focus. After 50 minutes, take a 10-minute break. Walk around, stretch, drink water, then repeat. Do this 4 times. That's almost 4 hours of deep work. And here's the crazy part. One day like this can produce more progress than an entire week of distracted studying. You will finish chapters faster, understand concepts deeper, and most importantly, you'll prove to yourself, I can actually focus. Step 5. The body reset. Your brain cannot function well in a tired body. So today, we fix your energy. Do one physical activity. Gym, running, home workout. Even a 30-minute walk works. Exercise releases dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals improve focus, mood, motivation. That's why after a workout, studying suddenly feels easier. You feel alive again. Your mind becomes sharp. Your discipline increases. Your life is not just mental, it's physical too. Step 6. The night reflection. Now, the final step. Before sleeping tonight, take 5 minutes and ask yourself, what went well today? Maybe you studied longer. Maybe you avoided your phone. Maybe you worked out. Write it down. Now ask, what will I repeat tomorrow? Because the goal of this day is not perfection, it's momentum. 1 good day becomes 2. 2 become 5. 5 become a habit. And habits build your future. Listen, you are not lazy. You are not stupid. You are just stuck in bad systems. And the moment you change your system, your life starts changing too. One disciplined day can remind you of who you are capable of becoming. So here's the challenge. Tomorrow is your do or die reset day. Clean your space. Write your goals. Do deep work. Move your body. Reflect at night. Just one powerful day. And if you actually do it, comment below, reset started. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this reset too. Because sometimes one day can change everything.